If you notice people in a bookstore, what's the first thing they do after picking up a book? They turn it around and read the blurb. A blurb is a short summary of the book that you will find in the back cover and in online listings, and it almost always determines whether someone will buy the book or not. It's not just a synopsis of your book, it's a sales pitch that has to make someone think, I need to read this. So let's talk about how to write a good blurb. Let's look at an example of a good blurb. This is the blurb of the book, The Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins. The blurb goes, in the ruins of a place once known as North America lies the nation of Panem, a shining capital surrounded by 12 outlying districts. The capital is harsh and cruel and keeps the districts in line by forcing them all to send one boy and one girl between the ages of 12 and 18 to participate in the annual Hunger Games, a fight to the death on live TV. 16-year-old Katniss Everdeen regards it as a death sentence when she steps forward to take her sister's place in the games. But Katniss has been close to death before, and survival for her is second nature. Without really meaning to, she becomes a contender. But if she is to win, she will have to start making choices that weigh survival against humanity and life against love. This is an extremely well-written blurb, as it has a strong start that grabs your attention right away. The first line of the blurb immediately gets to the thick of the plot and sparks curiosity, making you wonder what life in Panem would be like. It also briefly introduces the main character and conflict. It tells us that the story is about a girl called Katniss and what challenges she faces. The blurb is short and simple, and it doesn't go too deep into the subplots. And finally, the blurb does a great job of building the stakes. Your readers want to know why your story matters and what's at risk. Through this blurb, we know that it's a fight to the death that Katniss has to survive. Coming to why blurbs are important, they create a first impression, and it's often the one chance to hook your reader. And they also influence buying decisions, irrespective of whether someone is buying from a bookstore or online. The blurb also gives you an idea of the genre, the tone, and what the overall reading experience would be like. And they also help with marketing. Your blurb gets used everywhere, from ads to social media posts. And finally, they also boost searchability, as keywords in your blurb can help with discoverability and SEO. Remember, your blurb doesn't just appear in your back cover. It also appears in online listings, social media promotions, and even email promotions. So take your time with it and really think about what you want to convey about your book. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!